In this demonstration, I'll show you how to edit element properties and features rapidly and in place using keyboard shortcuts. We'll start with how to quickly rename an element. Motorbike here needs to change to motorcycle. So to edit that name, I just click on the element and then press F2 to enter in-place edit mode. Then I can just overtype the name like this. I then click Enter to accept the change or Escape to cancel it. The same approach works for editing the name of features. So over in the car element here, I need to change reg number to registration number. So I select the element and then click on the compartment I'm interested in. So this is the attribute compartment. I click on that, and again I can use F2 to edit the name in place, or just click again on that attribute. Now I'll just edit the name and accept that change. What about adding new features to elements? For example, in the motorcycle element, I need to fill out the data model by adding some UML attributes. Well, I can quickly add attributes using the Control-Shift-F9 keyboard shortcut. So I press Control-Shift-F9 and I instantly have a new attribute. I can overtype the name. So the name of this attribute is in fact going to be type because it represents the type of motorcycle. Also in place, I can change the scope operator to say whether it's public or private. And I can override the classifier. So I don't want an int, but I want to override that because I've already defined a motorcycle type enumeration. At this stage, I can press Enter to accept the change or Control Enter to rapidly insert another attribute. And I want to do that because I want a subtype attribute. I'll also make that public and just leave the classifier alone in this case. Now I can quickly add new attributes just using Control Enter like so. When I'm done, I can press Enter, and because I'm still in in-place edit mode here, I can also use the Control Delete keyboard shortcut to rapidly delete attributes as well. So Control Delete, I'll just undo those last few attributes. So this same basic approach works for UML operations as well. To quickly add an operation to an element, use Control-Shift-F10. So I press Control-Shift-F10. Again, I instantly have an operation. I can change the name of that, add and edit parameters and so forth. Also, Control-Enter works for a rapid repeat add. And we'll just delete those quickly again using the Control-Delete keyboard shortcut. Another type of model construct you may want to rapidly add using the keyboard is a tagged value. So a motorcycle element here needs a tagged value to indicate the data integration status. I can use Control-Shift-T to rapidly add a tagged value. Control-Shift-T, and I'm prompted for a tag name. If I have one predefined, I can simply select it from the drop list here, but I'll just free type one here. So it's a data integration status tag, and just for the example's sake, we'll say that this has already been implemented in our enterprise data integration here. So when I click OK, you see that I've now got a tagged value associated with my motorcycle element. So here are a few really quick keyboard shortcuts to help you rapidly build up your visual model.